Díomh Accorda is Mission Niall Crowley, and while I'm born and bred in Kilcummin, County Kerry, I'm singing this song for you today over 3,600 miles away in Dubai. While these are testing times for everyone at home and abroad, the Irish spirit is shining through, and as an expat living abroad, I'm proud to be Irish. A special shout out to my parents, Eileen and Dennis Crowley in Kilcummin, all of my family, and the Guilfoyles over the hedge. I'd like to sing this song for all of you. There's a home in the hills of Glandore that sleeps near the broad open sea, where the wild rivers dash through the foam and the bulrushes wave in the breeze, where the green ivy clings round the door and the little birds sing on each tree. To my darling sweet notes they do pour, Iseriran Ninosan Katie. Her father has riches in store, both cattle, corn and wealth, and fine land by lovely Glandore, whilst I have my youth and good health. For she's the fond maid I adore, and her life she has pledged unto me, without riches or no earthly store. Iseriran Ninosan Katie. I have toiled through those years of my life, through sunshine, through storm and rain, and surely I'd venture my life for to ease her one moment from pain. I would climb the highest hill of the land, and I'd swim to the depth of the sea, to get a tip from her lily white hand. Iseriran Ninosan Katie. Like a sick man that longs for the dawn, I long for one sight of her eye, and I pray for my own Colleen born, as she's waiting for me by the stile. For she is my pride and my joy, my comfort in life then is she. For she is my own promised wife, Iseriran Ninosan Katie. Last night as the sun was aglow and sank right into its rest, and the clouds like mountains of snow as they declined into the west, to be out for to meet my own store, and kindly she waited for me by the old stile, by lovely Glandore. Iseriran Ninosan Katie. And when I will call her my own, it is married we both then will be, like a king and a queen in their throne, we'll be living in sweet unity. Well, we'll have a home of our own and be at our own liberty, and 'tis then sure her name will be known.